one pair of gloves, and then linen protector. The first 3 steps of this catheter clean or catheter care, the first 3 steps is the same as the first 3 steps of the pericare. Okay? So what's the first one again? Water. Gloves, and then linen protector. First 3 steps are all the same on this catheter care. So it's be easy to memorize both of them. Okay. Alright. The 4th step, the same as the other one. Going to me. Right? The same. 5th step, the same. Privacy towel. And then dry. Yeah. So the same 5 steps. So it's easy. You're doing 2 bullets. Now the difference is this one. First washcloth, of course. Sophie, this time you're gonna go to this side. This is, you will see. You're gonna hold the catheter at the meatus area, guys. Okay, so this is a critical point. You say meatus area or meatus, whatever you pronounce it. So you hold it, and then you wipe it. Soapy water, one direction. Okay, one direction, not Maroon 5. Okay, so one direction. One, cover, flip 3 to 4 times. Same thing again. Hold at the meatus area, one direction. Don't go back and forth. One direction, cover. Then one more time, 3 to 4 times. That is your Sophie. Okay? Now you're gonna rinse it. So rinse it. Same thing, one direction. Hold it at the meatus area, 3 to 4 times. Cover, maintaining it. Okay. After that, you're gonna go with your dry. You're gonna dry that one. You could dry this one, hold it, you could dry it like that, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you could just do 3 and then cover. Okay? Then you're done cleaning the catheter of Miss Jones. Alright? So now, this time it's the other way around. Earlier, you were able to take out this one before this one. Okay? Remember earlier when you were on the side? This time, you could take out the privacy towel already. Okay? So Miss Jones, we're done. I cleaned your catheter. Boom. You take out that one. Privacy towel out. This time you're gonna take this out. Okay, it's the other way around. Earlier, because he was on that side, you took out this one first before your privacy towel. You guys remember? Yeah. Privacy. I mean, take out this one. Drag it and fold here. Alright, Trust, Miss Jones, I'm just gonna clean my area. Your call light is within your reach. So clean your area, gloves out, wash hands, and you do your closing. Alright.
So